Hey guys, this is Dimitri with Joe's Gaming and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to pair or connect your Sony XM5 headphones via Bluetooth. So first things first, you're going to power them on by pressing the power button, but what you're going to do is you're going to press it and you're going to hold them until this light starts blinking. Once it starts blinking, that means that the headphones are in pairing mode. So we're going to press and hold. They turned on, and now they are in pairing mode. So while they're flashing, go ahead and grab your phone, go into settings, select the Bluetooth feature, and right there you will see the WH-1000XM5. Press on that. The light will start flashing rapidly and then it'll turn off, indicating that you have successfully connected your Sony XM5 headphones to your phone.